Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change home screen layout in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To change our home screen layout, we have to go to Settings, then we are going to Home Screen option here. And in this menu we can change quite a bit. For example, home screen grid we can change. And here we have a little preview, how it will look like. Don't forget to click Done. Then we can of course change up screen grid. We can customize it a fair bit. Done. And folder grid, the same here. That's it. We can change our visual grid a lot. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.